Hello everyone! How are you today? I'm Miss Jaynne. Nice meeting you. So today we will be making a rainbow. Do you like rainbows? Me too! But have you ever seen a walking rainbow? You haven't? So today we're going to find out how are we going to make a walking rainbow. To make this rainbow walking water, we will be doing an experiment. And in doing this experiment, there are some things that you need to prepare. The things that you need to prepare are, first, record sheet given by the teacher to record your experiment result. In this case, we will be coloring the picture of the empty cups based on the result of your experiment. Second, 6 small plastic cups or clear glasses. If you have clear glasses at home, you can use that instead, but in this video, we will be using 6 small plastic cups. The third is paper towels. The fourth thing you will need to prepare is food coloring in 3 colors. They are blue, red, and yellow. And last but not least is water. So, are you ready to do this experiment with me? Yay! Let's do it!
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Sofia. Let's do the experiment.
First, fill up some water into an empty cup. Then, pour it into the empty cups number 1, number 3, and number 5. Take food coloring with red color. Add 5 drops into the cup number 1. Take food coloring with yellow color. Add 5 drops into the cup number 3. Since we don't have the droplets kind of bottle, we will pour gently about the same amount like the red one. Add 5 drops or pour gently about the same amount like the previous ones in the cup number 5. Then you can stir the cup so the color can mix well using a spoon or a chopstick. The next step is to tear up some paper towels and fold it into half lengthwise and in half again lengthwise. Place it into cup number 1 and the next cup next to it. And repeat this method until the last cup. Great work! Now, let's wait for some time. The time spent for your experiment might vary. While waiting, you can do your observation and take notes on your record sheet. You can start answering the first question. What I think will happen to the empty cup? Miss Sofia thought that maybe the empty cups will have the same color as the cups next to it. So she colored red, yellow, and blue.
A few moments later. Much later.
Look at that! The water drapes into the empty cups. The colors are changing. How about your cups? Now let's answer the last question. What I observed. In your record sheet and color the empty cups based on your experiment result. If you are done, take a photo of you holding your record sheet with your experiment in front of you. And smile! Isn't it awesome? But do you know how could this happen? So, paper towel is made from fibers and water travel easily through the gaps in the fibers. And when the water moves up through the paper towel, this process is called capillary action. So the gaps in the paper towel act like capillary tubes and pull the water upward. This is what helps water climb from a plant's roots to the leaves at the top of the plant or tree. The water is able to move upward against gravity because of the attractive forces between the water and the fibers in the paper towel. Did you have fun in this experiment? I did too! Well done, my little scientists! You have been doing such a great job in this experiment. I will see you next time on our next experiment. Bye-bye!